Good morning, friends. Today is an unexpected vlog day because, we live in Ontario and we've had a crazy ice storm this weekend, so we've been stuck inside. Say hi. Hi. We've been stuck inside all weekend, and I had a feeling school was going to be canceled today, and lo and behold, it is. So we're going to show you guys what we do on a school cancellation day, which is funny. Make crafts, yes, because it's our first actually. We had none all winter. As you guys know, I live in Ontario, Canada, where it snows a lot. And let's just address something a little crazy. I got my eyebrows microbladed. They're in the healing stage, so they're crazy dark still. Today's going to be a stay in our pajamas all day, right? We can stay in our jammies? We should probably shower and freshen up today because we stayed in our pajamas all day yesterday too. So this is day 2 of pajamas, right? But I'll show you guys what it looks like out there. So everything is starting to melt, but it's a little bit icy still. The roads look fine. My husband had to go to work today. Did Daddy have to go to work? Yeah. So we're gonna do some crafts. What else are we gonna do? Nails. We're gonna do nails, hair. We're gonna have a spa day. Maybe Mommy will jump in the shower and do her hair so I don't look so crazy. Do I look crazy? Look at this crazy hair.
No.
It's all frizzy and crazy, but that's okay. I love you.
No.
Your turn's next.
I want my turn.
Other one back up. Put that one in. This one in. This one up top.
It's itchy. My other finger.
Itch.
Mika, are you still sleeping? How do I find another spot to sleep now?
Okay, put it up here.
My little gold finger. Mika.
That one's done.
Loner, this is my independent baby. He likes to play by himself. Jameson needs my attention at all times. I feel like I like
Okay, that is awkward.
because I've been gone for so long, so that's why I'm like
That means silly, guys.
my kids and stuff because I haven't uploaded in a minute.
We're doing my nails, see?
Okay, and now it's like seriously snowing out there. Here, there's a table. You can see how much. But it's warming up, so hopefully the ice will melt. I think I'm gonna go have a bath. I decided to have a little bath because I never have baths, so I put a nice bath bomb in here. I'm watching Netflix over there. The kids are watching a show. The baby's napping. I figured it was a good way to spend a snow day, just to relax a little. Nap time. I've got a friend in here with me, don't I?
Yeah.
Mommy can never bath in peace. Well, obviously that didn't quite go as planned. The baby woke up. My daughter came in about 3 minutes in and took a nice number 2 in the toilet for me, and they don't know how to flush the toilets because we have like those push ones and they're just not strong enough to do it. So anyways, even just a few minutes felt good to relax. I love that Elevation Essential Oil from doTERRA. So I'm going to diffuse it now and start cleaning up after I get the rest of this mask off. Oh, but even a few minutes feels better. You gotta get your self-care in when you can, right? And part of my self-care now includes this Teamy Tea. I did the 30-day detox and it was awesome in helping me to lose some weight, and I took a break and I've kind of stalled with my weight loss, so I'm doing another detox program to hopefully boost things up again. But it's delicious, kind of tastes like green tea, and it just boosts your metabolism, gives you lots of energy, because I'm about to go do some cleaning, do some more stuff with the girls because we're home all day long, and now it's snowing out there and doesn't look like we're getting outside anytime soon. We're going a little crazy, aren't we? Aren't we, Rosebud? Ugh. The kids are having lunch and watching Octonauts, and I think we're gonna venture out because it looks like it's getting warmer and things are starting to melt, and we've been in the house like since Friday night, and it's now Monday morning or Monday afternoon. And let me show you something. I have no idea how this walker broke. I mean, it's been through many kids. It was fine a few days ago. I don't know if I like stepped on it in the middle of a night feed or something, but it's broken. So I think we might venture out. What do you think, Rosebud? I think so. To Once Upon a Child to see if they have any walkers there, because she's learning to walk and she likes it, and she's just gonna get her finger pinched in that, and I don't want to tape it or anything. That's just, it's time for a new one.
So pretty. Are you so pretty? Yay! Hi. Can you wave? Ow. Hi. Who's this wild baby? Who's this wild baby? Who's this wild baby? Who is this? Oh, you give him a snuggle? Mama? Baba?
Are my clients ready? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, you sweeping up? Thanks, babe.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Wow, look at you, beautiful girl. Look how pretty it is.
You
like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thanks for being my helper and cleaning up this lawn.
No, I'm not cleaning up my hair.
Why? I'm sorry. I know my eyebrows look ridiculous. I can't get over it. I promise they won't look like this though. Me and the babes are just hanging inside while Daddy and the girls shovel all the heavy, heavy, icy snow. I didn't want anything to do with that. But I'm hoping they shovel and then I'm gonna like leave. Cause this mama has some cabin fever. And we'd ended up having a spa day and doing all their hair and stuff, so we didn't end up going to Once Upon a Child. So I might try and sneak out there on my own. Oh, I just need to get out sometimes. I'm just working on my book. I have done so many proofs. Illustrator is not my strong suit. I worked with an illustrator, like an actual illustrator, who didn't work out. Then I worked with another one, and the sizes were all wrong. So then I tried to do something different, and I screwed up the quality, so that proof didn't work out. So I'm just uploading for my 17th time, but the third one that I think is going to work, and then I'm going to get the proof sent. Because I'm really excited about my book, and I want to share it with you guys. But this, like, I was hoping to have this done in the fall. Like, that's how I just got so frustrated, I had to leave it. Anyways, sorry, I keep looking at it because... Please work with no errors. No errors. You gonna pray?
Yeah. I want to pray. You can pray and I can pray.
Cheese in them, do they?
We both can pray, Lilia. You can pray. I promise I'll let you play tomorrow. Jesus was a cool dude. 40 days of food, living his life by the golden rule. Love on his face, amazing grace, spreading his love all over the place. We will praise him. Praise you. Sing and we will praise you.
Thank you for that.
We just need to practice before you go on the real stage.
Yeah, you gotta practice lots.
Before you go on the real stage.
Yeah, it's gonna be scary up there. If we don't practice, we don't know what to do.
Yes.
Okay, so I had to get out. I'm off to Zumba. I mean, I would have gone anyways, but I had to. I haven't been out all weekend. 3 days. The fresh air feels good. It's starting to warm up and the ice is all starting to melt. So I just got home from the gym and grocery shopping. And now I gotta put away all the groceries. More over there. Does any other moms grocery shop at night? It is 10:56, but it's just easy when you don't have any kids. So I gotta put this all away now. Have a shower and go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed my crazy eyebrows day in the life of a stay-at-home mom of 3 when the kindergartens don't go to school because it's a snow day in April. They're supposed to be getting more snow tonight. It hasn't started yet, so I'm hoping school's not canceled tomorrow because I want to start painting. I've got lots to do. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.